Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you on my channel. My name is Inna and I am a nail master. On my channel you can find many interesting videos about manicure and a lot of beautiful designs that I show step by step. So subscribe and press the bell not to miss new interesting videos. Today I'm working with these hands. Here the coating is about 2 months old and it's in a good condition. It's always pleasant when the client returns with an unhurt coating. I use old wire nippers to remove the rhinestones. I need to be very careful. When I take off the stone, I close it with my finger. Sometimes the stones bounce off and they can get straight into the eye. Believe me, it's very painful, so I work carefully. I remove the old material and correct the length. This is a necessary step. You will not be able to make a new coating without it. I remove the old material to a thin substrate. The coating is in a good condition, there are no detachments, so I don't see the point in filing up to a natural nail. A thin layer of old material will be used as a base for the new coating. I use a nail file to shape the free edge. The client wanted the almond shape this time. With the nail file, I remove the corners from about the middle of the free edge. And now I smooth out the sides from the points of the ingrowth, remove the corners and round them to the end. I necessarily pass the nail file over the surface, removing the gloss from the overgrown part of the natural nail. Time for the manicure. I move the cuticle side with a pusher and open the subcuticular pocket. I clean the left side by using the flame bead in a forward mode. I always pull the client's skin with my finger so that I can see what else is needed to be cleaned up and where there is already enough and it's time to stop. And it's also necessary to remove the dust from time to time, so as not to confuse it with pterygium. When everything is ready on the left side, I turn the device into reverse mode and clean on the right side. All the same actions. I work at the speed of 17,000 revolutions. I apply primer to the prepared nails. I apply a primer layer with a rubber base. I rub the material into the surface. The base is the material that was purposely designed for creating a stronger coupling with a nail plate. That's why it doesn't matter what material I will use for strengthening, gel, polygel or just base, because I always apply a thin rubbing layer of rubber base. Well, now the strengthening. I will strengthen the nails with gel. I take a drop of material, place it on the nail and distribute the material over the surface. Here is such a beauty turned out. I love the nails strengthened with the camouflage gel. I apply color. The client chose this pink shade. On the second layer, I even out the color at the cuticle and paint the surface carefully. Some nails will have a gradient from pink to white. I cover all nails with a top coat. On the top, without a sticky layer, I apply a pearl nail powder, so we get very beautiful pearl nails. The gradient transition became more smooth under the nail powder. I use a nail file to remove the pigment from the nail ends. And I cover the nail powder with a top coat. In the top, I mix a white gel polish. I draw a circle with this translucent white color and shade the color to the center. I need glitter. I apply the base and add small sparkles in the circle. I attach rhinestones to the gel. I cover it with my top coat, avoiding the stones. I add a flower stalk and thin veins with white gel polish without a sticky layer. And now the work is ready. The design is very delicate. The client really liked her nails. I hope you like the manicure too. If so, I'm waiting for your likes and a flower in the comments. I will be very pleased. Subscribe to the channel. There are many interesting videos ahead. That's all for today. All the best and have a good day. Bye bye.